the intelligence of nature. Now, everything is nature, but we have access to some parts of creation more than others. And one aspect of nature that is very, very close to us is our bodies. And nature is intelligent. Our bodies are intelligent. Different parts of our bodies are intelligent in different ways, and they are conditioned in different ways, just like we are. Just like us, whatever that means, whatever we are. Now, when you tap into your body, for example, if you close your eyes and try to tap into your small intestines, there is a vibe there. They're up to something. It feels like a being with intention. And when I tap into it, it feels like the texture of its intention, of its movement. It feels like fire, actually. And this is consistent with the Chinese medicine view that the heart and small intestines are associated with the element of fire. When I tap into another part of my body, say the liver, there is a different energy there. This energy is more steady, it's more earthy, it's more hardworking. It's always working and thinking. And that's why in astrology, the liver is associated with Virgo. It's always working. Now, I believe that there's a lot to be said for having a friendly relationship with these energies, with the intentions of these organs, for the intelligence of nature, that the part of nature that is your body and its different aspects.